For 17, number 1, you needed to translate the expression. 1 less than twice a number would be 2 times some variable. It doesn't have to be x, so you could have put x minus 1. Number 2, you need to evaluate this expression. So put in -1, put in 3 where x and y are, and then simplify this. And you would get 3 minus 9 at the end, so -6 would be your final answer. And then the last one you needed to solve, or the last one on this side, you needed to solve. When you distribute and combine your like terms, you get 7x on both sides, but your constants are different. So right there you could stop and say this would be no solution, or you could continue solving and you would either get 0 equals one of the other numbers, or -6 equals 30. Either way, those are not equal to each other, so you get no solution. Questions on any of those? For number 4, you only needed to find the domain, so you could have written that using set builder notation or interval notation. So it starts at -1 and it keeps going to the right, so that would be everything greater than or equal to -1 or -1 to infinity. For number 5, you needed to solve this for y, so get it back in slope-intercept form. To do that, you would have gotten rid of the x term, subtract 3x on both sides. I rearranged it so that the x term came first, and then divided everything by -2. So your final answer was y equals 3 over 2x minus 4. Questions on either of those? Right. For those that are completely ready for the benchmark, that means all of your benchmark work is done. I'll see if you're ready to start that or want time to study, and then you'll take that. For those that still need to finish benchmark work, I'm going to give that back to you so you can continue that. Remember that the more time you take to complete benchmark work, the less time you have to take the benchmark. So if you take the entire class period to do that today, you'll have tomorrow, but I would definitely say come after school today to get that done as well. If you are missing tests, you're going to be working on those. That way you have a chance today and tomorrow to get those done. The end of the quarter, you guys need all grades. I need your grades in by end of day Thursday. So you guys don't have that much time to get those grades up if you need to do that. If none of those things apply to you, then you should be working on the review on your desk. Remember that on Wednesday, you guys will be taking your quiz for this unit. The review has each objective on there. There's 3, but they're short. So just pay attention to the different objectives as you work through that. If you have questions on the review and I'm not walking around, you can come up to my desk and ask any questions you have. Does anyone have any questions on what we're doing today and tomorrow? You have this time to work. Let me